Hulu Live TV Review. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to review Hulu Live TV. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Hulu, you could also use the link in the description, in which by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. And now to get started, just open your browser and kindly go to hulu.com/live-tv. But before that, if you don't know what is Hulu, it is a streaming service that offers a variety of popular cable channels including sports and news networks, in addition to Hulu's on-demand content. It also provides access to local channels Disney Plus and ESPN Plus, making it a comprehensive entertainment solution for cord cutters. And the service includes unlimited cloud DVR storage, allowing users to record and watch their favorite shows, movies, or sport games from any device for up to 9 months. Now in terms of feature offered by Hulu Live TV, it offers live TV streaming. Hulu Live TV provides access to live television channels including sports, news, entertainment, and many more. It also offers on-demand library, in which subscribers get access to Hulu's extensive on-demand library, which includes thousands of movies, TV shows, and original programming. It also offers Cloud DVR, in which Hulu Live TV includes Cloud DVR feature, allowing users to record live TV and watch it later. The service typically offers 50 hours of recording storage with options to upgrade for additional space. It also offers multiple streams depending on the subscription plan. Users can stream on multiple devices simultaneously. With its user interface, Hulu provides an intuitive user interface that makes it easy to navigate through live channels, on-demand content, and personalized recommendations. And now moving on to the pricing plan offered by Hulu Live TV. As you can see below here, they offer Hulu Plus Live TV amounting to $76.99 per month, and also Hulu Live TV with no ads amounting to $89.99 per month. And below here are some of the benefits it included on this plan. There's endless entertainment with Disney Plus, live sports with ESPN Plus, and many more, which you could also watch on your favorite devices including TV, laptop, phone, or tablet. And Hulu Plus Live TV with ads. This basic plan that includes access to Hulu's streaming library as well as live channels. While Hulu No Ads Plus Live TV, this plan includes all of the features of the basic Hulu Live TV plan, but with added benefit of no ads on most on-demand content. Now moving on to its user experience. The user experience of Hulu Live TV aims to provide a seamless and intuitive platform for subscribers to enjoy live television, on-demand content, and additional features, including navigation, in which Hulu Live TV offers an easy-to-navigate interface allowing users to quickly access live channels, on-demand shows and movies, and other features. And also Live TV Guide, in which users can browse through a grid-style TV guide to see what currently airing on live channels. With its search functionality, Hulu Live TV includes search function that enables users to quickly find specific shows, movies, channels, and genres. With its personalized recommendations, the platform offers personalized recommendation based on user viewing history or preferences. Also, it offers watch lists, in which users can create watch lists of their favorite shows and movies, making it easy to keep track of content they want to watch later. Now moving on in terms of its performance. The performance of Hulu Live TV can vary depending on several factors including internet connection speed, device capabilities, and overall network stability. But in terms of streaming quality, Hulu Live TV typically offers streaming in high definition or HD quality for supported channels and content. And also it offers buffering and loading times, in which the performance of Hulu Live TV can be impacted by suffering in loading times, especially during peak usage hours or when there are network congestion issues. And as you can see, here are some Hulu supported devices, in which it is compatible with a wide range of devices including smart TV, streaming media players, gaming consoles, smartphones, tablets, and web browsers. Now in terms of its reliability, Hulu Live TV strives to provide a reliable streaming experience, but occasional technical issues or outages may occur. And also, as you can see in here, in terms of customer support, or in the event of performance issues or technical difficulties, Hulu typically offers customer support options such as online troubleshooting guides, live chat support, or phone assistance. But now moving on to its pros and cons of using Hulu Live TV. Starting to its pros, it offers extensive content library. Hulu Live TV provides access to a wide range of live TV channels, sports, news, and entertainment, along with Hulu's extensive on-demand library of movies. It also offers Cloud DVR. The service includes Cloud DVR feature allowing users to record live TV and watch it later. It also offers personalized experience. Hulu offers personalized recommendations, watch lists, and user profiles allowing each user to customize their viewing experience based on their preferences. And also in terms of device compatibility, Hulu Live TV is compatible with a wide range of devices including smart TVs, streaming media players, and gaming consoles. While the cons of using Hulu Live TV is that, in terms of its price, the cost of Hulu Live TV can be higher compared to other streaming services, especially when considering additional fees for premium channels and add-ons. It also offers limited DVR storage, while Hulu Live TV includes Cloud DVR feature. The base plan typically offers only 50 hours of recording storage. And it also has ads on some content, even with ad-supported subscription plan. Some on-demand content may still include advertisements, which can disrupt the viewing experience for some users. And it is also internet dependency. Hulu Live TV requires a stable and fast internet connection for smooth streaming. And for its availability restrictions, Hulu Live TV is only available in the United States, limiting its accessibility to viewers in other regions. And if you have other concern or question, you could also click the FAQ or frequently asked question, in which it will show you a variety of questions with its answer by simply clicking on it. But in terms of user reviews of Hulu Live TV, starting to positive reviews, it has a content selection in which many users appreciate the extensive content library offered by Hulu Live TV, which includes a wide range of live TV channels, sport, news, and on-demand content. With its user interface, the user interface of Hulu Live TV is often praised for its ease of use and intuitive design, making it easy for users to navigate through live channels, on-demand content, and additional features. And also its device compatibility. Users appreciate the Hulu Live TV is compatible with a variety of devices including smart TVs, streaming media players, smartphones, and tablets, providing flexibility in how they access the service. However, the negative reviews is about the price, in which some users feel that the cost of Hulu Live TV is relatively high price compared to other streaming services, especially when factoring in additional fees for premium channels and add-ons. And also its ads. Despite subscribing to ad-supported plans, some users express frustration with the presence of advertisement on certain demand content. It also has buffering and playback issues. And also its customer support. There are occasional complaints about the quality of customer support provided by Hulu. And also in terms of its regional restrictions, in which users located outside of the United States express frustration with the regional restrictions of Hulu Live TV, as the service is only available to viewers within the US. But the question is, who should choose Hulu Live TV? Well, it is an ideal choice for individuals and households seeking a comprehensive streaming experience. It combines live TV, on-demand content, and additional features. It's particularly well-suited for those who want access to a diverse selection of live TV channels, including sports, news, and entertainment, alongside Hulu's extensive library of movies, TV shows, and original programming. And the service users-friendly interface and personalized features such as recommendations and user profiles cater to viewers looking for a tailored viewing experience. And now, in conclusion, Hulu Live TV offers a comprehensive streaming solution that combines live television, on-demand content, and personalized features to cater to a diverse range of viewers. However, factors such as pricing, advertisements, and dependency on a stable internet connection may impact user satisfaction. Despite these considerations, Hulu Live TV remains a popular choice for individuals and households seeking a robust streaming service that offers both live and on-demand entertainment options. So that is just a review about Hulu Live TV. Thank you.